Continue to track Tropical Storm Brett as it moves west in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. First Warning meteorologist Brooke Silverang is here. And Brooke, the National Hurricane Center issued an update on Brett just a short time ago.
That is right. 11 a.m. advisory just came out, and we still have pretty much the same stats. It's in that westerly motion, 21 miles per hour, so pretty fast. Winds sustained at 40 miles per hour. Only big difference is, let me show you, the system will continue to track west, and instead of becoming a Category 1 hurricane, which is what was tracked earlier, it is now going to sustain its tropical storm category and status before reaching the Lesser Antilles and passing into the Caribbean Sea. So that's a better scenario for these islands, very tiny islands there, and even for Puerto Rico and even for the Dominican Republic and Haiti. Now, it should continue to weaken, and that's because it's going to encounter some wind shear, and that's winds in the opposite direction in the upper levels of the atmosphere that does tear apart these storms. And that's the type of scenario that we were hoping for, is that it would weaken, and that's what it's going to appear to be over the next several days. Of course, watches and warnings should be issued within the day or so to prepare the islands for the impacts from this system. Otherwise, some areas could see maybe up to a foot of rainfall. Behind it, we do have Invest 93L, and this one could become our next tropical depression sometime maybe later today or at least by tomorrow. Very high possibility of that. It's going to continue in that same motion off to the west. Again, we have very hot waters in the Atlantic, and that's what's fueling these storms that are coming off of Africa as waves. Another tropical wave to follow behind it. So again, these systems have to go through the motion, starting off as a wave into a tropical depression, eventually into a tropical storm. Again, luckily, Brett is not forecasted anymore to become a hurricane before passing into the Lesser Antilles. Back here at home, we're anticipating another afternoon with late scattered rain and some thunderstorms. Some of those storms could lean on the stronger side today. Timing of those storms do kick in, at least in the next couple of hours. So after 2-3 o'clock, that's when we're going to see a better opportunity for those storms to fill up our radar. We'll have another look at future track and also another check on the tropics. Tiffany.
All right, Brooke, thank you.